guys, let's make yummy sweet and sour barbecue wings. All we need is ginger garlic paste, chili powder, black pepper, salt and soya sauce. In this recipe, I'm using all ingredients by National. Give it a good mix and marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours. For coating of marinated chicken, we need all-purpose flour, cornflour, red chili powder and salt. This will make a very nice light crisp over wings. Deep fry your coated wings on medium flame until golden brown and crispy. Meanwhile, make your sauce by adding half cup of barbecue sauce in 1 tablespoon oil. Then soya sauce, chili sauce and a special ingredient which is Tikka Masala by National. It adds a really good smoky touch to it. Then we'll add honey which will give a sweet glaze. Cook for a minute or so and then toss your fried wings in it. And ta-da! Your wings will be ready to serve.